welcome to Tarot Arc. Thank you so much for being here today. This is Anandita. Once again, I'm back with another reading for you all, and today's reading is dedicated to Mamta. So this is a pick a card reading, and it will be telling you whether you should wait in your current situation or you should move on. So it could be regarding anything. It could be regarding a relationship or your work or your job, business, career, anything that's on your mind. Please remember, it is a general reading and it may or may not resonate with your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. It's a pick a card reading and I've made 3 piles here. This is pile number 1 with the Rider-Waite Tarot deck, and I've used the Peach Moon crystal on top. This is the Art of Tarot deck, and I've used the Rose Quartz crystal on top. This is pile number 2, and this is pile number 3, the Mystic Mondays Tarot deck with the green jade on top. So please take your time to choose your pile. Think about your situation, think about your relationship, anything that's on your mind. Take your time, choose your pile, relax. And I've also mentioned the timestamps in the description below. I'll see you at your pile. So for people who've chosen pile number 1, let's see whether you should wait in the current situation or you should move on. Please think about your situation, concentrate on the situation, connect to the cards. You've already seen which cards you've chosen, so try and connect to them. It will help you to get better, accurate answers. So for people who've chosen this particular pile, what I really see in your current situation is that you are very burdened, you're feeling exhausted, maybe you've done too much hard work, you've really wanted success, you've aimed for victory, whether a relationship or whether anything that you've chosen. So because the stress, the effort has been so much and your efforts have just not received any results, or you're so exhausted, you're thinking, you're exhausted, you're working, but your results are not coming, and this is leading to you to a lot of stress, and it's leading to you to a path of extreme negativity and extreme anxiety. The future itself shows me that it's going to be worse if you continue to be in this situation. People who are in relationships and who are waiting for their person or their partners to respond, or something that's lagging in your relationship and you're putting in efforts, it's going to just lead to a lot of quarrel, it's going to lead to a lot of confusion, a lot of stress between the both of you, and also it shows me that you are just head on going in this direction without any, it's going to be more like an aimless struggle that you are going to be moving towards, and your expectations are definitely going to be hurt or not fulfilled the way you want them to be fulfilled. I just do not see any kind of contentment, and once you reach a stage wherein you're just tired, you're deeply, your expectations are hurt, you might reach a stage of stagnancy. Then I also see that there is misconception, there is deceiving, which will start happening between the both of you. So honestly, this wait is futile. This whole process of just waiting for some miracle or something major to happen, I just don't see anything on those lines. So the cards definitely advise you to move forward and take action, or move on. That's what the cards are telling you. So if it's a relationship, or if you're waiting for a call from some job interview or something, it's better that you also apply to other places, because I don't really see that happening, and it's just going to overburden you. It's going to make you feel miserable. So try and let go this entire feeling which you are in right now. Try to overcome it and hope for a better tomorrow, and also move on towards the unknown, towards the new, towards a new beginning. So that moving on can only happen once you let go, and without any fears and without any inhibitions, just surrender to the Almighty to take you in that direction which you're actually meant to be, because this particular situation is just not worth waiting for people who've chosen pile number 1. And I can assure you that the cards are very positive for a better tomorrow if you move on, and if you take this decision of moving on. It will definitely help you to, you know, get better gains, and a beautiful, bright tomorrow is definitely waiting for you. And also, the miracle cards are very clear that use your wisdom, be in an attitude of gratitude. If even if things are not working out and the universe is asking you to move on, this is a, this is something to be thankful for. So because you know that your waiting has, this, you're not unnecessarily waiting for somebody who's actually not even interested in you, or whether it's a job or whatever it is, it was not meant for you. So you've been told at the right time to surrender and let go, and aim for a brighter tomorrow. Also, I clearly see that you will triumph over these obstacles that you are facing. This whole head-on barging into this situation, you should just forget about it. Remove these stumbling blocks where you're just going on falling, and you're so stressed, you're so anxious. And I see you getting victory in a new beginning. I see things getting better for you. I see you coming out with flying colors, with a lot of confidence. Don't let this thing just pull you down. It's just stopping your whole growth. So let your ambitions drive you forward and generate all this strength in you, so that you're able to aim ahead and be in this period of success, triumph, and being in a carefree attitude. Once you let go of all these old inhibitions that you have, you're going to be in an attitude of being carefree. You can think, you can just go ahead without anything stopping you, without any chains which are just unnecessarily becoming like these chains are just binding you, or are just burdening you unnecessarily. So just remove these shackles and go ahead. And I definitely see a beautiful tomorrow, and also 3.5 weeks for a lot of you for things to definitely get better and positive. So with that, I will conclude for pile number 1, that just don't wait and move ahead. So I hope the reading was resonant with you, pile number 1. Please leave in your comments and your feedback in the comment section. And let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 2. What's in your current situation? What's going on? And whether you should wait or whether you should move on in this particular situation. So please think about your situation, people who've chosen pile number 2, and I'll shuffle the cards for you. And also ask the Almighty, ask the universe for guiding you, whether you should move on or whether you should stay in this situation. Think about your situation. If it's a relationship, then think about the relationship as well as your person. Whatever is on your mind, just think about it. So people who've chosen this particular pile number 2, I definitely see that you can wait in this situation and you can surrender to the divine. For you, the road is very unknown, and you've also put a lot of effort in this particular situation. You've executed all your plans, your resources have been set, you've made all the plans, you've executed the plans, and now there is this waiting. There is a limit, some kind of a stagnancy, but I definitely see contentment on the cards. Just this few days of dullness that's cropped up, and it's making you confused whether you should be in the situation or you should move on, whether you should wait or not. So whatever stress is building up, let me assure you that things will be under control within the next 4 to 8 days. For a lot of you, things are definitely getting back to control. And maybe you've also taken some time to actually address this situation. Maybe you had also put it on hold for a long time, and then finally you've actually taken action. So whatever this situation is, or whoever is involved in this situation, they are taking some time, they are trying to ignore it till whenever they can. But soon I see, definitely see balance coming back, and I definitely see this confusion clearing away. People who've chosen this pile number 2, and have thought about their relationships, whether they should wait or they should move on, it's a clear cut wait. Please wait for your person. Your person is here to stay. they are definitely in love with you and are very eager to get back to you, or whatever the misunderstanding or the confusion that's clear, happening in their head, it's definitely going to fade away. And like I said, 4 to 8 days for a lot of you for things for getting better. And the situation is coming under control. Women who are in relationships and have chosen this pile number 2, you will definitely be able to establish control on your person in a positive manner. They will listen to you. I see a lot of satisfaction on the cards, a lot of accomplishment, a feeling of a win-win situation is there on the cards. Your hard work will pay off. Your person is just taking time because they also have put things they've just put things on the side. And you've also done that before. Maybe you've also taken your own sweet time. If you've applied for a job, or if you're in a present situation in some career situation that you're stuck, please wait. Things are definitely going to happen in the positive for you. Try to connect to the divine for answers, and the divine will definitely, intervene and show you the right path. I definitely see that the universe has already started planning and taking you towards the right flow, towards the, you know, uh, end of the tunnel, or towards a situation wherein conclusions are within reach. It's just that because this weight is getting onto you and you're feeling stressed and you're feeling burdened, that's the reason that you have come to a stage where you're confused that whether you should be or not be. But let me it's very clear on the cards that this pile is definitely supposed to wait, and perfection, accomplishment, satisfaction is definitely on the cards for a lot of you who are in relationships. And again, repeating, marital bliss is on the cards for you with this person. So just hang on, don't push the situation. They will respond. Wait for them, and it's a beautiful situation for you coming ahead. So don't, with your own pushing or with your own rushing, get the situation to become a negative one, because it's definitely worth the wait. And like I said, that your person is here to stay, and they are definitely eager to patch up, or start something with you, or something like a reunion, or whatever is your current situation. They are definitely there to make you believe that they will contact you, or they will they are interested in you. And for a lot of you, I said marital bliss is on the cards. So just wait in this situation. People who've chosen pile number 2, things are beautiful, things are clear. You definitely need to make some adjustments. So whatever has cropped up, whatever has taken shape, why the situation has landed here, in any scenario, whatever your situation may be, you need to be more tolerant. You need to make more adjustments. Again, I'm repeating, for people who are in relationships, your new romantic cycle begins from now with the same person itself, and you need to surrender to the divine. That's what the Moonology cards are confirming, and that's what the Art of Tarot deck initially stated, that just wait. You've done your hard work. I know it's getting difficult for you to hang on because you're feeling burdened, but just surrender to the divine. Let the divine take you in that direction, and wait. Balance out your spirituality and practicality. Maybe you've done too much planning. You've put in all your resources. Like I said, that you're all set and you've done your hard work, you've done everything, but maybe somewhere down the line you've actually forgotten that all these plans will only be successful if there is divine intervention, if you are blessed, if your blessings are coming from the Almighty. So maybe you need to actually balance it out. You need to become more spiritual. The cards are definitely confirming that luck is on your side. So just give some time to your person, or this situation, or whatever decision you are waiting for, whatever it is, this situation you need to give rather than take. So give some time, be patient, release all your negativity. It's very important. If you're having thoughts of negativity for the person, or for a relationship, or for some kind of situation, it could be anything. Please do not give out negativity. Try to release this, because like I said, it's human to take time. It's human to take some space, some time out. So that's absolutely fine. A new beginning, a new start is definitely on the cards for people who've chosen pile number 2. Just heal yourself. Try to come out of this whole burdened feeling and release all this negativity. Give some time to you, and I definitely see you coming out victorious, and your whatever situation it is here to begin on a positive note rather than, I won't say it's ending, it's definitely has a new beginning. So it's going to begin on a positive note, but you just clear your head, you just clear your clutter, you're very confused, I see on the cards. So remove this confusion, have faith, have trust in the situation, in your person, in whatever you've put in your best foot, whatever. I see you've done a lot of hard work, so please put in, like, have faith in this, have put in the best energies, and like I said, that please become more spiritual, put in, give in some time for spirituality, thank the universe, have gratitude, and ask the universe to intervene in your situation, and you will see how the results come out for you. And for a lot of you, 4 to 8 days are definitely giving you positive results, so just wait. So that was for you, pile number 2. I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comments section. You could also leave in your requests for general readings. I'll be happy to do so. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Now let's see what we have in store for people who've chosen pile number 3. So whether you should wait or move on in the current situation, whatever you have on your mind, people who've chosen pile number 3. Please connect to the cards. You've already seen the cards, people who've chosen pile number 3, and also think about your situation, concentrate. The more you concentrate, the better you get connected to the cards, your energies reach the cards, and you're able to find the accurate answers through these cards. And just think about whether situation, whatever it is, and whether you should wait or whether you should move on in this situation. So for people who've chosen pile number 3, you should definitely wait in this particular scenario, and I can definitely see that there is a sense of satisfaction, there is a sense of encouragement, enthusiasm in you. You want things to work out. You yourself are wanting to wait because you want the answers to be positive. You want this situation to be in your favor. Also, I see that you have a lot of spent energy or a lot of emotions in you, maybe because of this wait that you have. You're waiting since a long time, and now it's getting difficult for you to wait. So that's why a lot of this, which you've not been able to express your feelings when it comes to this particular situation, and that's really troubling you. This is definitely a time of waiting, but very soon I see the situation becoming in your favor, or you listening to whatever you need to, whatever you're waiting for is coming your way. I see celebration is on the cards. If this is a relationship reading, let me assure you, your person is there, here to stay. They're truly in love with you. This is not this is definitely a positive partnership, a meaningful partnership which will go a long way. And I see peace, prosperity on the cards. Love is definitely there in this situation for people who've chosen this particular pile. And whether it's your work related anything, if it's giving you thoughts of whether you should trust the person or not, or in any situation that you are in, because you're waiting and this wait is now getting difficult, so maybe you are getting thoughts of whether you should be actually trusting the person. So let me assure you, whoever the person is on your, whether it's your work, whether it's business, job, colleague, or your own person or your own partner, a lover, let me assure you, the person can be trusted. They are here to stay. They are very true to you, and I can clearly see that it's a positive cycle to which you're approaching, and perfection, balance is on the cards. Any type of misconceptions in your mind, or whatever stress you have at the moment regarding this particular situation, it will be moved within the next 18 to 28 days. And within the next 28 days, you will know where you stand, what the things are. Your stage will be set, your plans will be made. If you are in a relationship, maybe you just have a ceremony or something. Again, I see a lot of balance on the cards for you for the situation. So try and remove this stress that is just building up in you and you're having some kind of misconceptions about this situation and about your person, listen to your intuition, but in a positive manner. First, connect to your intuition, connect to your inner self, ask for inner guidance, ask to seek for uh, the reality that actually is prevailing. Your intuition, your beliefs will give you answers. And definitely, I see contentment is there on the cards, and your wait will not go waste. Just again, I'm repeating that it's very important for us to, whatever work we are doing, whatever we do, it's very important for us to also remember that there is a superpower, there is a super authority beyond us, beyond our efforts, which is the power of the Almighty, which is the power of the divine, which you cannot, just ignore. So for you to have a peaceful time waiting or a peaceful outcome after your waiting, so once you've done your efforts, you're still doing, but all these feelings of mistrust, misconceptions that are coming in your mind, I see a lot of stress building up. This only, yes, it's really a time of extreme stress that I see for you people on pile number 3. So let me tell you that you need to connect to the Almighty, you need to surrender, you need to ask the wish that the Almighty helps you and takes you to the outcome which you actually want to, or whatever outcome the Almighty has planned for you. You should just pray and wish that you reach that outcome with the will of the Almighty, because at the end of the day, that is the most important thing which is missing in this particular pile. So you've done your hard work, and I'm assuring you that whatever this wait is, it is not going waste. You will definitely get your answers. 24 days for a lot of you for new beginnings. This confusion clears, and also again, don't be confused. I've already cleared it, especially for people who are in relationships or any kind of partnership. This is a trustworthy partnership. You can trust your person. Your person will not deceive you or misguide you or anything on those lines. And for a lot of people who are in some kind of a financial weight, whether concerned with loans or anything to do with finances, your thing will be your situation is getting cleared. You will be relieved when it comes to your financial stresses or anything that's prolonging. But yes, it's very important again for you to make sure that your divine connection, whatever is lost, should should be regained. You cannot live in just a materialistic world, which for a lot of you, especially who are asking me this regarding business or work related, I see that your energies have gone too much towards the materialistic side. So that definitely brings a lot of your expectations don't get fulfilled, or some kind of a help that you are waiting for is not getting cleared because of the lack of the divine intervention or the lack of the blessing. So you need to work towards that. Rest, I see everything is positive. Try to clear this stress. New beginnings are definitely coming your way, and also the wait is worth it. Please do not have any thoughts of a third person coming in your relationship or in this partnership. And like I said, I see a lot of mistrust and a misconception that's building in your head, and it's making you really stressed. So don't get overburdened with these thoughts. There's nothing like that. Trust your person, trust this whole relationship, whole partnership. There is nothing like a struggle or anything that's going on. It's just that the time is such that some things are getting delayed, and maybe because of this delay you're feeling that your expectations are not getting fulfilled, but it's nothing like that. It's just a matter of some time for the things to get under control. But you need to trust is very important in your situation at the moment. And let's see what guidance is the mystical tarot telling you to take. You need to release all these fears. Like I said, you have some kind of a misconception or something. You need to face these fears. Whatever is troubling you, you need to speak out. You need to communicate with the right person, whoever your relationship or your partnership or whatever this situation involves. You are just building up your own fears. You don't even know whether they are the truth or not. You need to face them. No point just unnecessarily trying to contemplate in your head or just trying to, uh, build up stories in your mind without knowing the actual reality. Maybe if your waiting is getting tough for you, you just need to take some time off, you need to just relax, you need to unwind. Some kind of a vacation or some kind of relaxation therapy will really help you to, release all this negativity that's building up in your head. And by that time, I definitely see the weight also getting over. You need to, it's very important, especially for people who are in relationships and who are getting these feelings of mistrust regarding your person, just because you are waiting and you're not clear in your head why your person is not contacting you, or what, whatever this confusion is in your mind. You need to cherish your old time memories, whatever your memories have been with your person, and then try and actually ask your gut, your intuition, that is it true whatever I'm thinking? Can my person be like this? Whatever misconceptions are coming in my mind, you need to definitely seek clarity, epiphany. That's what the cards are telling you. Seek clarity, seek answers from within, set your goals. Actually, you're really trying to weigh a lot of things. You don't even know whether what you want from this current situation, because you've really confused yourself and you've stressed yourself mentally so much that you're not able to set your goals, get cleared. So please seek clarity, and let me assure you that celebration is definitely on the cards and things are definitely going to get better for you. Wait for the right time to come. Waiting is the key. And please, especially in terms of any third person, any person that is concerning you, whether on the relationship front or on the business front, whatever it is, trust them and express yourself the maximum you can. Communication, like I said, is the key. You've been holding on to a lot of, your own thoughts and your own emotions which are not being able to come out, so you need to release all those and then seek your, seek clarity. And that's what the cards are telling you to do. And definitely this wait is worth it, like I even initially said. But by your own misconceptions, your own feelings of ego or something, because things are, you have to wait, don't try to ruin the situation. Again, I'm making it clear, please have a focused, goal oriented approach in this situation. Do not put your foot in 10 different types of things, or don't, shift your main prime focus. That's very important for people who've chosen pile number 3. Rest, definitely it is a move or wait reading, so I will suggest you to wait in this situation and you will be guided by the universe when the right time comes where you need to be. And also, like I said, please be spiritual, please ask for yourself for answers and you will get them. You will be able to get clarity what exactly you want. All the negativities that are going on in your head, whatever is making you anxious and stressed, I definitely see it fading away. So that was for you, pile number 3. I hope the reading was resonant with you. Please leave in your comments and feedback in the comment section. You could also send in your requests for general readings. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be coming back with more such readings, so please stay tuned to my channel. I'll be signing off now.